Cash rules everything around me. Cream get the money. Dollar bills, y'all. Man, what's going on, folks? Man, it's your boy Money Mac coming back to you again from the set. Man, look, listen. We got a cryptic announcement from Nike. Yeah, they are re-releasing this Wu-Tang classic. But again, is it just all about the money or is it about the culture, legacy, and the power of limited edition drops? Let's get into it. Now, back in 1999, Nike and the Wu-Tang Clan dropped this sneaker so exclusive it only had 36 pairs, right? And we all know what that's going to do to a resale proposition or value. These just weren't shoes though, because they were a freaking symbol of the culture. Now, I know a lot of you young heads out there is like, all right, Wu Tang, whatever, bruh, you don't understand. But that's fine though. These kicks became freaking legendary. The resale prices soared as we know they would with only 36 pairs. Come on, bro. One pair even sold for $50,000. Let that sink in. Now, the Wu Tang Dunk High pretty much transcended footwear at that point. It became an artifact, not just a sneaker, it was an artifact for collectors. But guess what? Nike is bringing it back for a general release. Well, we don't know how general this release is going to be, right? But Nike is bringing it back, and the once holy grail of sneaker collectors is now going mainstream, bro. This has sneakerheads in a tizzy. And I say that by asking the question, is this a good thing? For me, I don't know, bro. But yeah, I know. It's great. Now, some may say this democratizes the sneaker culture, right? It makes the unobtainable attainable, which in my eyes is great. Others claim it kills the exclusivity and thrill of the chase. Now, if you're one like that actually paid $50,000 for this shoe, I wonder how this makes them feel. But there's always the adage of that is I have the OG pair and not the re-release pair that was made for the general public, right? Now, me personally, I'm just be honest, I'm actually stoked about this, right? I've always loved the Wu-Tang Clan and I always loved this Dunk High. But that price, nah, bruh. I can't sell that many food stamps to get them shoes. I'm sorry. But it would have been a joy of owning that sneaker, right? But let's ask the question though, is the sneaker game really dead? I don't think so. This re-release and Nike opening the vault on a lot of these re-releases or sneakers, right? Opens the door for the new generation to connect with iconic designs other than just Jordans, Air Force Ones, and just regular dunk lows, right? This actually puts them in connection with the things that we held near and dear. Now, I didn't have them, but I definitely understood the principle and the thrill of the hunt when looking for a said grail of this magnitude. Now there's a couple other ones out there, the Freddy Krueger dunk lows that Nike may just need to give us too, because for that pair of shoes, you see a lot of people walking around here with them joints on, man, and you know they ain't real. Cause I don't think there was that many pairs of those sneakers made, and the price that they're going for, it's not a lot of people wearing those shoes that are authentic. But that's just me. But I ain't here to pocket watch. I ain't here to look at somebody else's footwear and all of that good stuff. What we talking about is what we love, and what we love are the things that we grew up with back in the day, and Nike is actually giving it to us again in a general release. Now, bro, listen. The sneaker game ain't dead. It's not. It's not. And we've stated that time and time again, despite what many people are saying that, oh yeah, sneaker game is dead, the culture is whatever. Bruh, stop it. You don't know the culture if you think that the sneaker game is dead. This is just going back to what we knew about sneakers. Sneakers were available, and it was nothing to see another person with the same pair of kicks on and you instantly related because you knew that they knew the game. These days it's about hype, clout, and what you have that someone else may not have. It's a thing of, let's make up a word here, betterism. That's not a damn word, but that's what we're gonna call it because it's this thing of, oh, I'm better than you. Man, all that. We ain't with that here on the set. We like what we like, we caught what we like, and that's just the end of it, bruh. Yeah. But I understand we in a small majority of this so-called sneaker market, but there is a lot of like-minded people, and if you are watching this video, you are one of those like-minded people that feel the same way about sneakers as your boy. But I'm gonna get off my soapbox, bruh. But honestly, what do you think about this whole Nike reopening the vault on sneakers that we just, I say we because the general masses cannot just afford a $50,000 pair of shoes. I mean, you can get a credit card and run your shit up for a pair of sneakers. That's just crazy though in this economy. And yeah, we're not getting into adult shit. But what I'm saying is, what do you think about Nike reopening the vault and giving us these sneakers that we've all knew about but wasn't obtainable for one reason or another? Is this one for the culture? Is this one for Nike trying to stave off their board members and shareholders because it ain't been looking so good for Nike here recently? So, let me know down in the comment section, man. Let's debate about it. What do you think about this? Are you on the side of drop them shits, make sneakers available? Or are you on the other side of, hey, I'm a reseller and, or I'm not a reseller, but what I like, I want to be better evaluated once I purchased it? Are you one that go to StockX or GOAT to check the resale prices on a pair of shoes that you just copped like 5 minutes ago? Let me know down in the comment section, bro. I'm your boy Money Mad, bro. I'm gonna get on out of here and go enjoy my day as you should too.